First, Mr. Buchanan, we understand you're now representing vlogger Jaii Frais in the incident that happened at Big Wall. And what's the outlook from your perspective?
Well, today he was taken to court and an ex parte application was made for him to be held over for 48 hours. It was granted by Judge McIntosh. I was informed that that took place. I presented myself in court as I do represent him, and the judge amended the orders to ensure that he was brought to get medical attention in relation to his gunshot wound. And we await returning to court on Friday.
And what are you looking for on Friday exactly?
Well, I'll update you on Friday when that time comes.
And what is happening on Friday? Is it another hearing? Like, what's the situation? Just for clarity.
Well, the judge is monitoring the situation. As I said, he does have a wound, and in terms of client care, that is the most important thing right now. So,
how is he doing mentally with all of what is happening?
he's understanding the process, so he is there. He is anxious for the matter to be resolved, so we are just awaiting for Friday.
Okay.
And I have indicated to him that he is to trust the process.
Meaning?
This the justice system works. One simply has to trust the process. I'll leave it at that.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to add that I have not asked at this point that you think is important to share?
You know, one of the things the only thing I'll add is that there has been a culture in Jamaica that cases are tried in the media, but it is evidence on the court, and sometimes the media can just allow persons to get due process as well as respect the Constitution, and I'll leave it at that.
Are you concerned with what has been in the public domain and this reported on the media so far? Does it raise any concern
The
for you?
media. You see, like I said, our respect for the Constitution includes freedom of expression, the ability to disseminate information. Is just my only caution is to do so responsibly.
Yeah, you mentioned that you requested for him to be allowed to go to seek medical attention. Is it that the police haven't allowed him to seek medical attention since he was initially brought to hospital?
Well, you see, that's it. When dealing with government, you will have a lot of red tape, and so those who are responsible at the lockup don't necessarily be the persons responsible for the investigation. So communication can be misinterpreted, and as a result, things get fall by the way. But for all persons in custody, the human rights or the human dignity aspect is important. So we have an injured man that is being detained while the police does their investigation. We have a bail act that says pre-charge bail is a part of the process. And I mean, there are many things that we can do to respect the Constitution. But as I said, trust the process.